So hey guys, what's up? Welcome in our first video and channel. And in this channel, we are gonna talk about a basic programming language, and that's gonna be Qbasic and HTML. The full form of Qbasic is Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code, and the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. So now let's start the video. So firstly, let's talk about the HTML. HTML. HTML is the standard markup language for creating the website. The founder of HTML is Tim Berners-Lee. He has found this HTML in 1989 AD. Now let's talk about what is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web pages. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. So yeah, that's all about the HTML. And HTML is used to make the website, web pages. um, Now let's talk about the Qbasic. Qbasic, the full form of Qbasic stands for Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. And Qbasic was developed and launched by the Microsoft in the year 1991. So now let's talk about Qbasic. Qbasic stands for Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It is one of the easy and the popular high-level programming language. It is a modified version of the BASIC family, which was developed by Microsoft Corporation US in 1985 AD. It uses the interpreter to translate the high-level source code into machine code. Qbasic is a very simple and easy to understand because it uses English-like words and the common mathematical symbols. And there are the different versions of Qbasic. Among them, QB64 is the most popular and the latest one. So now let's talk about, yeah, it's all about Qbasic. Now let's talk about the editor of both Qbasic and HTML. The editor refers to the place where we can edit our code and make our website from there or program from there. And for Qbasic, we are gonna use the app named QB64, which you can download from the internet. And for HTML, we are gonna use Visual Studio Code, which is one of the famous code editor for the HTML. And that's all for the first video. Now in the next video we are going to talk about the HTML tags,